Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 8th July 2024. In this video, we will teach you Top 10 Current Affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. World's oldest cave painting has been discovered in. Answer is Indonesia. Archaeologists did the discovery of the world's oldest painting. The painting is the representation of ancient storytelling art. The painting location is in Indonesia, on the island of Sulawesi. There is a cave where this painting is done on the cave's ceiling, made of stone. This remarkable painting dates back at least 51,200 years and depicts a wild pig and three human-like figures. Question number 2. Who will lead the Indian team in the Paris Olympics? Answer is Neeraj Chopra. The Athletics Federation of India announced a 28-member Indian track and field contingent for the 2024 Paris Olympics. Olympic gold medalist Neeraj Chopra will lead the 28-member Indian athletics contingent, comprised of 17 men and 11 women athletes, starting 26 July. Race walkers Priyanka Goswami and Akshadeep Singh, who are members of the squad, were the first Indians to qualify for athletics this year. Question number 3. Masoud Pezeshkian has been elected as the new president of. Answer is Iran. Reformist and moderate leader Masoud Pezeshkian has been elected as the new president of Iran. The presidential election was necessitated in Iran after the death of President Ebrahim Raisi and Foreign Minister Hossein Amir-Abdollahian in a helicopter crash on 19 May 2024. The modern country of Iran was earlier known as Persia. Iran is an Islamic country, but the majority of its population are Shia Muslims. Question number 4. Which state's mica mines have been declared child labor-free by NCPCR? Answer is Jharkhand. The National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, NCPCR, declared the mica mines of Jharkhand child labor-free at an event in Koderma, Jharkhand, on 5th July 2024. Speaking at the function, the NCPCR chairperson Priyank Kanungo announced that this is the first ever successful endeavor to cleanse a supply chain of child labor in mica mining. Working children up to 14 years of age are called child labor in India. Question number 5. Where has the world's first brain transplant been done recently for epilepsy control? Answer is England. Oren Nolson, a 13-year-old from England with severe epilepsy, has become the first person to trial a new device implanted in his skull to control seizures. The groundbreaking surgery, which took place at Great Ormond Street Hospital in London, has reduced Oren's seizures by 80%. The device, a P-COSTIM neurotransmitter, aims to disrupt abnormal brain signals causing epilepsy. Question number 6. Which country has chaired the Colombo Process meeting? Answer is India. India has chaired its first meeting of the Colombo Process at the International Organization for Migration, IOM, headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. The Colombo Process, comprising 12 Asian member states, focuses on enhancing governance and opportunities for overseas employment. The member states include Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Cambodia, China, India, Indonesia, Nepal, Pakistan, the Philippines, Sri Lanka, Thailand, and Vietnam. Question number 7. Who has recently been awarded the Lifetime Achievement Award at the Munich Film Festival? Answer is Kate Winslet. Kate Winslet received the Lifetime Achievement Award at the Munich Film Festival, recognizing her extensive and acclaimed career in film. Kate Winslet, celebrated for her performances in Titanic, Finding Neverland, and The Holiday, has amassed a distinguished array of honors, including an Academy Award, a Grammy Award, 2 Primetime Emmy Awards, 5 BAFTA Awards, and 5 Golden Globe Awards. Question number 8. Who has launched the book Kargil War, The Turning Point, authored by Colonel M.B. Ravindranath? Answer is K.T. Parnayak. K.T. Parnayak, the governor of Arunachal Pradesh and a retired lieutenant general, launched the book Kargil War, The Turning Point. The book, authored by former commanding officer of the 2nd Battalion of the Rajputana Rifles, late Colonel M.B. Ravindranath, offers insight into the actions and operations of the battalion from May to July 1999 during Operation Vijay. Question number 9. Who has been appointed as the principal spokesperson of the central government? Answer is Dhirendra Ojha. Dhirendra K. Ojha, a senior Indian Information Service (IIS) officer of the 1990 batch, has been appointed as the principal spokesperson of the central government. Alongside this role, he will also serve as the Principal Director General of the Press Information Bureau, PIB, playing a crucial role in managing government communications and interactions with the media. Question number 10. The 46th session of the World Heritage Committee, WHC, is set to be held in. Answer is India. India set to host the 46th session of the UNESCO World Heritage Committee from July 21 to 31, 2024. This prestigious gathering will take place at the Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi, bringing together delegates from around the world to discuss and decide on matters of global cultural significance. The event is expected to draw an impressive crowd of over 2,500 delegates from 195 countries. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.